Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com. It's been quite a while since I've made a video. I have the new shop here. Already really messy. I set it up about 2 months ago, but as they say, a clean shop's never a busy shop. So I do this for a living Monday through Friday, sometimes Monday through Sunday, depending on what I have on the plate for work. So here's my contact info. My cards. So here we have a Drake L4b. Went through it, did all my modifications, grounded the grids, used copper strap for a nice low inductance connection, had me put in the Harbach board, soft start, soft key. Filament transformer looked funky, so I ended up fully testing it before I went ahead with any of the modifications. Test fine. Changed out the plate blockers also, at the old style. These end up usually failing. Replaced both anode dissipating caps. One had a snap screw, the other one wobbled a little bit, so I just went ahead and changed both. Put in the plate current meter protection diodes. This thing's all set. Oh, I also changed the light bulbs for the meters and checked the SO239 connectors. So here we have the plate supply. I also put a Harbach kit in that, new filter cap board. Had the old caps in there. So here we have a Kenwood TL922. Out of the 150 or so of these things I've worked on over the years, I'd never seen a filter cap fail. Had a short upon startup. Also did all the modifications to this. Grounded the grids. Did all the other stuff I do. Self-bias instead of force bias. Zener shot, I need to change that. Had some damage to the plate tune cap, cleaned that up. Put in a glitch resistor, did the low inductance modification with the strap. Get rid of parasitic issues on the higher frequencies. So I tested all the caps. They looked okay with my own meter. And checked the plate transformer, and I checked all the diodes. So instead of just being Mr. Change Parts type of guy, I ended up putting in, this has a full wave doubler rectifier. Just temporarily wired a couple caps and fired it up, and it's fine. So it's definitely the filter caps. I went and bought a Harbach kit, and I'll put those in. Also checked the SO239 connectors on this thing, clean the rotary switches, and this thing will be good to go once I put the caps in and the new diodes. I'll put a diode string in instead of the Zener. So I also bypassed the wire to lessen the inductance there. That's temporary, just to bypass the switch. But so if you need any work done, give me a call. I'll work on anything as long as it's not a basket case. Quick turnaround time. This video is for all the people that keep asking where I went. People keep asking if I'm still in business because I haven't made a video in a while. So take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching.